This is it. I'm here with Mark Leiter Jr. He's going to bust some triple threads. He's doing the first pack now. What are you hoping for here?
I have no idea. Something good though.
Randolph, Ford. Ooh, a 2 of 3?
Ooh, that's pretty nice.
Good, didn't you?
I wanted to see an auto real bad.
Read there.
I didn't have time either.
620 slugging percentage.
2 of 9, Albert Pujols. Patch.
2 out of 9.
That's
Albert
nice.
Pujols patch.
So nasty.
Alright, that's a nice card.
Wow, let's see the base. What do you got for your base?
You got DiMaggio.
Let's see what auto we get.
Jolton Joe D. There he is.
Jolton as well.
Dennis Eckersley. Willie Randolph. And Whitey Ford.
Whitey.
Not some bad. You got some nice base. That card is sick right there.
That's pretty sick.
All right, we're going into the pack number 2.
Yes.
Alright.
You happy with that one?
Yeah, that's a good
That's
one.
pretty good.
That's a nice card. Nice card.
So far away.
The reigning MVP.
All right, here we go. Step it up.
Step.
Pack number 2. Here's the auto coming.
Well, that's going to be a tough card to beat, so if you beat it, it's going to be an awesome card.
That's true.
Beat.
Gonna use that fast Eddie teeth technique.
No.
He's got it. There it is. He's busted into it. Dad's looking on patiently.
I still have the plastic on it, didn't you?
We know.
Hold it. There's your boy. Oh,
Uh-oh.
nice
rookie.
base card.
It's a rookie auto.
Rookie auto.
Braves.
Ooh.
He's a real rookie.
Yeah. Josh Anderson.
Josh Anderson.
Number 299. Patches.
Okay, we're going to have to wait on him, huh?
Yeah.
Like
How about the base? What are we looking like?
Nice looking
Yeah.
card though. Nice looking card.
Got Johnny Damon.
You like that red?
This was a Yankee box, huh?
Yeah.
Johnny
Nolan
Damon.
Ryan. Josh Beckett.
And the man.
Roger Maris.
That's nice.
And
Love that.
Travis
Very nice.
Hafner, number 299.
That's a good one. I like Maris. Anything Maris.
What do you think, man? Thumbs up, thumbs down?
I give it a thumbs up, especially with the Pujols.
All right, man. We got to split. What do you say?
Good.
See you here at the backstop.
Thank you.
They're both pretty good.